Welcome back guys to another video. Welcome back to my Champions League playoff predictions. This is League 2 predictions of the playoffs. I know it's a bit late, but let's get started. Game 1 sees Atletico Madrid taking on Club Brugge. Atletico Madrid, obviously we know they finished 14th and Club Brugge finished 19th. So after the reverse fixture, the form for each team goes win-win, draw, loss, draw for Atletico Madrid, and loss, win-win, draw for Club Brugge. The reverse fixture, as you could probably tell, was a draw here. 3-3 when we're back at Belgium. My prediction for that match is actually going to be a 2-1 victory for Atletico Madrid and therefore a 5-4 aggregate win for Atletico. Game 2 sees Newcastle taking on Karabakh. Newcastle 12th, Karabakh 22nd, not important. The form for Newcastle, loss, draw, win, draw, win. Karabakh form, loss, win, loss. Obviously this is only the form in the Champions League, by the way. Reverse fixture, Karabakh versus Newcastle, Karabakh 1, Newcastle 6. My prediction for this match is actually going to be a 3-0, so the aggregate will be Newcastle 9, Karabakh 1, 9-1, crazy. Game 3 sees Bayern Leverkusen taking on Olympiacos. Bayern Leverkusen was 16th, for Olympiacos was 18th. Bayern Leverkusen's form, win, draw, loss, win. As for Olympiacos, loss, win, loss. The reverse fixture back in Greece, Olympiacos versus Leverkusen. Olympiacos is 0, Leverkusen 2. My prediction for this match is going to be another clean sheet for Leverkusen, 3-0 victory for them, which brings the aggregate up to 5-0 in the way of Leverkusen. Game 4 sees Inter Milan taking on Bodo Glimt. Inter Milan finished 10th, Bodo Glimt 23rd, not important anymore. Inter Milan's form, win, loss, win. As for Bodo Glimt, loss, draw, win. The reverse fixture back in Norway was a shock 3-1 victory for Bodo Glimt. My prediction for this match, however, 2-0 Inter Milan win, which means on aggregate, they actually draw 3-3. But I'm gonna actually come up with a surprise, Bodo Glimt to win on penalties 5-4. I think Inter Milan will miss maybe the last penalty or something. So yeah. Game 5 sees Atalanta taking on Borussia Dortmund. Oh no, Borussia Dortmund's covered up. Atalanta 15th, Borussia Dortmund 17th, blah blah blah. Atalanta's form, win, loss, win. As for Borussia Dortmund, win, draw, loss. In the reverse fixture, Borussia Dortmund won with a score of 2-0. However, in this match, I'm going to predict a narrower scoreline, but 2-1, which means 2-1 to Borussia Dortmund, which means the result is still Borussia Dortmund's way, 4-1. Game 6, Juventus versus Gala. I overshot a bit. Juve 13th, Gala 22nd. Juve's form, win, draw, loss. As for Galatasaray, loss, draw, win. The reverse fixture was a 5-2 victory from Galatasaray. Very surprising. My prediction here, 1-0 Juve. So the aggregate would be Gala winning with an aggregate of 5-3. Game 7 sees PSG taking on Monaco, all French affair. PSG finished 11th, Monaco 21st. PSG's current form, win, draw, loss, win. As for Monaco, it is draw, win, loss. Reverse fixture was Monaco 2, PSG 3. My prediction here is going to be 2-0 PSG, which means the aggregate is 5-3 PSG. And finally, the most awaited match, Game 8, Real Madrid versus Benfica. Real Madrid finished 9th, for Benfica 24th. Obviously, the game week 8 drama. Real Madrid's form, win, loss, win. Benfica's form, win, loss. Technically speaking, Benfica should win this match if you look at the pattern of the results, but let's not get into patterns here. Reverse fixture, Real Madrid won 1-0. My prediction here is still going to be Real Madrid 3-2 Benfica, which means the aggregate is Real Madrid 4, Benfica 2. What? Okay, that's ironic. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope this video gets out to you before the match starts. Bye!